When you find no solution to a problem, it's probably not a problem that has to be solved. It's rather a truth that has to be accepted. Some of the common problems faced by our teachers are disrespect. Students speak and act in a way that is not at all acceptable by the teachers. They openly refuse to listen to you or follow the instructions that are being given by you, and many more things. But today I'll focus only on a very common problem that is faced by our teachers on a daily basis. The teachers, they teach very nicely in the class and then they give the homework. But the very next day when they check the homework, it is not being done by maximum students. So where exactly is the problem? Let us try to understand and let us watch this video. Good morning, Tom.
Good morning, ma'am.
Where are you roaming? Go back to your class immediately.
Ma'am, I was just going to the washroom. Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Thank God, Nikki ma'am did not ask for the homework.
Tom, where is the science homework?
Ma'am, I have not done.
What? You have not done the work? Today I am going to take you to principal's office.
Sorry, ma'am. I was having fever. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, please don't take me.
If you don't listen to me, I'll throw you out of the class.
Please excuse me for today.
Good morning, Tom.
Good morning, ma'am.
Life is a winding road.
Have you done your homework?
No telling where it goes.
No, ma'am. I have not done.
Driving through days and nights.
Why you have not done?
Won't stop for traffic lights.
Sorry, ma'am. I did not understand.
I really wanna know
What?
Yes, ma'am.
You did
कुछ
not
भी समझ
understand?
नहीं आया.
Show me your hands.
I'll never figure out.
Ma'am, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, please don't beat me. I'm so sorry.
Even if I'm falling down,
I will not
keep
listen to
on
anything.
searching for my high.
Ma'am, I was not at home. How could I do my work?
You can say I lost my mind. I will keep
Just
on
go out of the
holding
class.
my head high.
Ma'am, sorry. Sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, please. Ma'am, please.
Now you saw this boy Tom has so many excuses for not doing the homework. He is making a new excuse in each and every period and he is trying to escape from the teacher because he knows very well since he has not done the work, the teacher is going to either cane him or take him to the principal office. बेचारा बच्चा इतना परेशान करे तो क्या करे. But why exactly this happened? Let me tell you. The very first thing, we as teachers are running after syllabus completion every time and skip the homework checking part. This leads to ignorance and as a result, the child also starts taking it for granted. So what you have to do as a teacher, you have to make a habit of checking the homework on a regular basis. Second thing that is very important, motivation is required by each and every individual. So always try to give a prompt feedback from your side. Praise the child, praise him for the work that he has done so that he takes the initiative to do it daily. Third thing that is very important is praise them always for the performance, effort and pain that they have taken to complete the lessons or the work or the things that were assigned by you. Enjoy every moment with them, sit with them, talk to them, listen about the work they have done and they will feel happy and even you will also feel happy at the same time. Promote their inquisitive nature. If they ask you why, how, all these type of questions, there is no need to yell or there is no need to suppress their feelings. Just promote their inquisitiveness. That is very important. Have a good conversation with the children. Communicate with them nicely. tell the students how achievement benefits your life, why education is important, why coming to school daily is important, why doing the classwork and homework on a regular basis is very important. Tell them the benefits so that they understand the importance of the value of studies in their life, and then you will not have any of the problem, any of the issues that you were facing till now. Now, many a times you have seen students don't do their work. And why they don't do their work? Because they are very lazy. They don't feel like doing so. They give number of excuses, and somewhere or the other point you are lacking. What I feel, you need to give any homework that is very creative, that is something engaging, where the students have to think out of the box and they have to take help of their friends, their relatives, their family members, and sit together, do teamwork, enjoy with each other, and then they will surely do your work. So if you plant a tree and don't water it, it is not going to grow. Similarly, a child needs to be nurtured with care and love. Love is the best tool, it is the best weapon that can bring a child close to you. When the child starts feeling that emotional connect and develops trust, he would share all the difficulties that he is facing. He would surely do wonders. It's going to resolve all your problems. You will be happy, and even the child will be happy. You won't face any of the difficulties in teaching. It will be your task to teach him, and it will be his job to do the work. So the problem will be resolved. So this was all about Nikki and Tom, the two interesting characters, where Tom was creating so many problems for the teacher Nikki. But once Nikki follows the instructions what I gave, surely Nikki will be a very successful teacher. If you are facing any of the problems in teaching and just want to share your problems with me, want to have a solution of them, just do comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching my video. Do like and subscribe my channel for more interesting and learning videos. Thank you so much.